It was confirmed by Vodafone hours after we broke the story. It's clearly curtains down as far as the conciliation talks with the British telecom giant is concerned on the massive tax dispute. All efforts to settle the 20,000 crore tax dispute has failed, and which is why the Finance Ministry has decided to float a cabinet note which will withdraw the conciliation talks. Sucheta, who broke that story earlier in the day-to-day, joins us with all the exclusive details at this moment. Sucheta?
Supriya, after a year of back and forth on the conciliation process with Vodafone, P. Chidambaram has finally perhaps realized that it is indeed the end of the road for India and Vodafone, and that's exactly why Finance Ministry has floated a cabinet note proposing the withdrawal of the non-binding conciliation that the ministry itself had proposed in June of 2013. Top sources tell us that Law Ministry has already given this cabinet note a go-ahead, and the cabinet is likely to take this up shortly. What prompted this move was a formal arbitration notice that Vodafone decided to slap on India, giving the country only 2 months to respond to it, also adding a caveat that if India's response does not satisfy Vodafone, which perhaps it will not, then Vodafone will knock on the doors of the United Nations. It is also laid down that the British telecom giant's preferred location of an international arbitration is a London court. We wonder why there. We have to remember that the cabinet had actually in February decided to give this turbulent relationship between India and Vodafone another month's time, while the ITAT in Mumbai was wrapping up proceedings of another tax matter, which is transfer pricing, and only then take a final call. And the call has been taken, Supriya. It is a disconnected call indeed between India and Vodafone.